Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on eyeliners. This video was actually requested from somebody I went to high school with and haven't seen her in a long time. And she wrote on my Facebook that she would like to see an eyeliner tutorial on how to do different eyeliners and stuff. Hey Stephanie! So let's get started. First of all, of course there's different kind of liners. There is just your pencil eyeliner. Okay, and then there's also a liquid eyeliner, and then this is a gel eyeliner. So I just have gel and I just have a pencil. I don't have any of like the felt tip, like Kat Von D tattoo liner or anything like that. So I've got foundation on, concealer, blush, a little contour going on, and I'm just going to, I don't have any eyeshadow on. But I'm just going to go right in and show y'all how I do it. Now, if I'm doing a pencil liner, I want to take my eye, and I don't like to pull on my eye too much, but I like to keep it as close to the lash line as possible. And I kind of do the outer first, and then I fill in the middle. And I don't use eyeliner as much as I used to. Usually because most of the time when I'm wearing my makeup or putting makeup on, I'm getting ready to go to work. And I don't normally, you can't really, I mean, I guess you could do a wing with this kind of liner, but I've never been able to. Okay, so now that I've got the pencil color on, what I normally like to do, and of course normally I have eyeshadow on, but what I normally like to do, because pencil liners to me look better when they're blended out just a little bit, so it's kind of faded. So I'm going to take this dome shape brush here, and I'm just going to kind of drag it along where I did the eyeliner. And you can start at the outer corner or you can start at the inner corner. It doesn't really matter. But I just kind of blend it just so it gives it that soft, smoky look. And you just don't have like a really harsh line. And as you can see, the difference, it just gives it a little more oomph to it. So that's a pencil liner. This is normally how I do pencil liner on the top. On the bottom, I normally don't use the pencil because they don't blend as well. I just use eyeshadows unless I'm putting this into my waterline, which I will show y'all how I do. I try not to tug on my eye too much, so I just kind of look up, and then I take it and I go right into the waterline. Okay, so that's the waterline. Has a little color in it. And you can also do fun stuff. Like I do a lot of browns, but I have these liners here are the ColourPop liners. And I've got several colors of them. I've got this green that I love. It's super bright and it looks really good. But I also have like this purple color and this darker green, brown, and then I have a bronze color. And this color looks really awesome if you're into bronzy colors. But these are all by ColourPop, the label, where you can see it a little bit better. I'm going to show you how I do wing liner. And I'm going to go over here to this eye. Wing liner can be tricky. I use this gel. This is from Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics. This came in BoxyCharm, so I didn't purchase this. I don't even remember what the price was. So a good drugstore one is the Maybelline gel eyeliner. I don't remember what it exactly is called, but if you go to the drugstore and just look in the Maybelline section. So I take just an angled brush, and this is by Aesthetica. I also have one by Echo Tools. So you can get these little angled brushes pretty much anywhere. These angled brushes make the application of wing liner much easier. Okay, so once you got the product on your brush, you can go to the corner of your eye. And then once you got that little angled part, this little part up, I like to stretch it just a little bit. I try not to pull on my eye too much because obviously I don't want any more wrinkles. But then you just go in like that, and you're gonna have a gap right here. You'll fill that in just a minute. So once you do that, you've got to fill the wing in. Like that. And then of course you want to take it on over. Liquid eyeliner, gel eyeliner, is pretty tricky. Like, it takes a while. Sometimes I even mess them up. Like, I'm looking at this wing and it's not my favorite, but it's the basic. And of course it would look a lot better if I had eyeshadow on, but obviously I don't. So, I know what I want to do. Actually, I'm going to go over here with this other eye that I've already got eyeliner on, and I'm just going to see what this looks like. That wing looks better. And this eye overall looks better. That looks kind of good like that because I faded that black into that brown. Now, another trick you can do, instead of using actual eyeliner at all, is using actual eyeshadow. So I'm going to take this liner off, and then we'll go in and try some just eyeshadow. Okay, I'm back. So I took that eyeliner off, and I put a little more concealer and a little bit more powder down, because I'm going to show you the best, easiest way to do an eyeliner look without actually having to do eyeliner. I'm going to take this Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take this really dark purple that she's got, and she also has black, but I'm going to do it with the dark purple, because doing it this way, like, say if you want to do a purple eye, then you can use like a dark purple shadow, or if you want to do browns, golds, oranges, any color like that, like you can do basically any color eyeliner that you want to do with eyeshadow. So I just take this angled brush, and I dipped it in that purple, and then I'm just going to start putting it on my lash line. And this is probably the easiest way to get an eyeliner look. And you can flick the color up if you want to a little bit, or you can leave it however you want to. But see, it's not actually eyeliner, but it looks like eyeliner. So, and then you can take it and you can also go on the lower lash line and just blend the color up and kind of smoke it out just a little bit, just to give you, and when I do if you want your eyes to look more open, when you're doing the lower lash, you want to stop in like the middle of where your eye is, because, and same on the top too, you want to go a little bit lighter on the inner corner, because it'll open that eye up, because you've got darker color here and nothing here, so it automatically makes your eyes open up. So that's a good little trick if you want to make your eyes look more awake, especially like in the morning. So I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video helps some of you that are not used to wearing eyeliner or don't really know what to do with it. Hopefully this helps you out, and you know, makes you want to go out and get some eyeliner or take some eyeshadow and just, you know, define your eyes a little bit. If you have any questions or anything, leave it in the comments below. Of course, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.